Have you ever wondered how a simple change in color can completely transform your crochet or knitting experience? Well, get ready to be amazed, because today I'm going to dive into a world of a speaky hue of Yarnable. And hey, you yarn lovers out there, I'm excited to share with you my impression of the October Yarnable. Yarnable is creating unique and stunning hand-dyed yarns, and I couldn't wait to get my hands on this month's colorway. It will not disappoint. So we've all been there, you know, losing our crojo, not happy with the yarns we've got, staring at our stash. Sometimes they're just boring. Well, that's where Yarnable comes in. It is a monthly subscription, and it never disappoints me. I am really excited for this. So, let's dive in. So, here we go. It comes like this. And I did get a couple extra skeins for this month, so I'm going to set those to the side. I apologize for the noise it's making, but I'm excited because that means new yarn. So in this month's Yarnable, we always, well, every month, we always get this zipper bag. And let me open this up for you. And we have our card describing what's in there. And we have our little extras that I'll tell you all about. That's really cute. So we obviously, the zipper bag is an extra. We have cute ink pens for trick or treat. They are the kind that you click. So these are going to come in handy in my project bag. And then we have a sweet treat. This is called a Cauldron Crunch. And according to the card, it says, enjoy an enchanting custom hazelnut toffee from Homemade Toffee. A playful yet sophisticated treat that's perfect for the spooky season. The note-taking adorable ghost pen and pumpkin pen duo are perfect for jotting down ideas and details on your current work in progress. So that looks yummy, and actually it's not real. It's, yeah, oh, it breaks easy. That's nice. And the last thing that we got right here is a detoxifying charcoal mask in the shape of a bat. So dull skin driving you batty, detoxifying charcoal helps remove build-up dirt and oil for a complexion that's fresh and eat clean. Wow. So I'm going to show you what the mask looks like. There you go. It's absolutely cute. Love that. And there's the front. That's adorable. Love that. So, the Yarnable I subscribe to has DK Wet yarn. And I always get an extra. I get the main Yarnable, and I get a side skein with it. So I'm going to share with you the side skein. The side skein is called Boo Crew. It is a plush DK. It is 85% merino and 15% nylon. It is 123 yards or 50 grams. And it is a beautiful orange. Wow. Love that. And of course it is very soft and very squishy. And the main skein always comes packaged like this. And when we open that up, this one is called Witch Please. That also is plush DK, 85% merino and 15% nylon, 246 yards or 100 grams. And look at the beautiful colors in this one. absolutely loving this. That is beautiful. There are purples and greens and blacks and a little bit of white in there. That is lovely. And because it was the October colorway I couldn't wait to get, I went ahead and got myself 2 extra ones. So they are beautiful. Well, it looks like the extra side skein I got is a contrast. So that is my Yarnable for October. So that's beautiful. I am loving these Yarnable yarns. The color is way better than I expected. Their quality is top notch, and I cannot wait to see what I come up with to create. So what are your favorite yarn colors? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more yarn reviews, tutorials, and inspiration. You know, I would love to hear from you guys. So, meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and happy yarning. Bye now.